Hello, and welcome to Winsor's Instruments. Today, we will be introducing the DPG Plus High Precision Digital Pressure Gauge. In this video, we will go over the different components of the gauge, basic programming, how to record and export collected data, and how to use the SECA mobile app with this gauge. The DPG Plus comes with an instruction manual, USB stick, connector cable, and a product certificate. All of this is delivered in a Winters branded protective carrying case. The first step is to get power to the unit. For battery operation, first remove the protective rubber cover. There are 3 screws on the back cover. After removing them, open the back cover and insert 3 AAA batteries. Alternatively, the DPG can also be charged via USB. Once you have inserted the batteries, replace the cover and holding screws, as well as the protective cover. To turn on the DPG, press the power button. To turn on the backlight, do a short press of the power button. On the main screen of the gauge, you'll see various indicator displays. These include the pressure percentage bar across the top, the power supply icon, which will appear if the unit is plugged into a USB port, the identifying number of the data set being recorded, the current pressure value that the unit is currently reading is displayed prominently in the center of the screen. Lastly, the battery power icon shows the remaining battery life, and the B, which stands for Bluetooth, which will show if the Bluetooth is enabled in the gauge. We are now ready to start programming the DPG Plus. We will start by changing the device settings. To save battery, you can enable automatic turnoff. To enable automatic turnoff, press and hold the unit/menu button until the screen reads PO. Use the mode/0 button to toggle the setting on or off. When turned on, this will power off the unit after 5 minutes of an activity to save battery life. Press the set button once you are satisfied with your changes. You can short press menu to go through the other options. The other options are Bluetooth function, BLE, rate, which stands for acquisition rate, FLTR, which stands for filter coefficient, E000 for full scale compensation, RES for reset, and then DEL to clear the storage. Next, we will go over how to set and change the pressure measurement units. To change pressure measuring units, short press the menu button. The most common measurement units available are PSI, inches of mercury, atmospheres, bar, meters of water column, megapascals, and pascals. Also available is KGF. KGF stands for the kilogram force, also known as the kilopound. It is a unit of force within the gravitational metric system. It represents the force applied to 1 kilogram of mass in a gravitational field with an acceleration of 9.80665 meters per second square. You can press mode to access other measurement options. The other options are pressure range, both minimum and maximum, temperature in both Fahrenheit and Celsius, and FS for full scale. Press the set button once you are satisfied with your changes. Next, we will go over how to change the time settings on the DPG Plus. Please note, after the device is connected to Bluetooth, it will automatically retrieve the current time and save it to the device. If you do not have access to internet and Bluetooth, you can also program the time setting manually. Press and hold the unit/menu and mode 0 buttons at the same time until the year page appears. To change the year, press the unit/menu button to decrease the year value and the mode 0 button to increase the year value. Press the power button to cycle between additional time settings. There are options for month, day, hour, minute, and second. Change these values using the unit, menu and mode/0 buttons as before. When you are done, press the set/rec button to save your settings. To start recording data in your DPG Plus, press and hold the rec button until rec appears on the screen. The gauge will now start recording measurement data. To stop data recording, press and hold the rec button again until the top pressure bar indicator moves all the way over to the left and the rec disappears from the screen. All of the above can be done through the SECA application. To install the SECA application, scan the QR code located in the DPG Plus manual. Please note that for the app to work, the DPG Plus must have Bluetooth turned on. To turn on Bluetooth, long press the unit menu button. Then short press the unit menu button until you reach the screen that says BLE. Short press mode 0 to turn it on or off. Press the set button once you are satisfied with your changes. Please note that the device using the app must have data turned on, be stationary, and be able to sense the location for it to function. Once the Bluetooth and the app are set up, open the app and choose your language. Once you have selected the language, swipe down to find Winter's devices. You can also manually search specific devices by pressing the magnifying glass icon. Once the devices are found, you can press the plus sign to add it to a group. Alternatively, you can press the chain icon to connect to that specific device. This will bring you to the specific device settings screen. You can also change the name of the device by clicking on the name. To start recording the data with the gauge, press the arrow into cup icon. Then, toggle the instrument record switch, recording on and off. In the same menu, the reader button allows you to get a read count. The clear record button allows you to clear all recorded data on the gauge. To export data, tap the export data button. Recorded data on the gauge will be exported in an Excel spreadsheet. For quick data recording and exporting, you can press the play button on the main device screen to start recording. Press the play button again to stop recording. The recorded data will be automatically exported. You can also export recorded data by connecting the gauge directly to a computer via USB. The broom symbol allows you to zero the DPG plus. Please disconnect the device from the system being measured before zeroing it. The two arrow symbol allows you to change the units of measurement. The clock symbol allows you to change the sampling rate of the DPG plus. This concludes our brief tutorial on programming the DPG plus. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have the greatest day.